It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, a new vlog. Guys, as you can see, I never went to the mirror room this morning because we never slept last night. Like, I don't know what, but I couldn't sleep last night, and we got in bed both after 3, and we're never gonna do it. It's either I'm never go to the mirror room or I'm never gonna go to work. So I choose not to go to the mirror room because I needed sleep. So that is that. May I go work though, even though I'm not contemplating not going any at all. But we only have 1 week worth of pay, so we just have to put in the work. So right now, I'm on the Uber, and yeah, as you can see, we kind of do like something. Don't really do too much, but yeah, it smells good. It smells like Ariana Grande. Anyway, just a start of a vlog. Remember to come over here to play H-2B lifestyle, tell your friends, tell your friends, and subscribe, like, share the post, and I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm just reached work and I honestly wish we never come. I say no busy, but you see when you come late, you know when I say sometimes. And I was contemplating coming 11 o'clock, but it don't really matter anyway. Like, just the thought of just being here, like, we know if we never, like, everybody with the H-2B program can, or the J1 program, reach this stage in their life where they're just ready for go home. They know they want money, but they're just ready for go home. Like right now, I'm ready for leave right here. So not really go home enough, but just leave right here so go somewhere else. And we just can't bother. Like, we literally can't wait until Tuesday for just get a break from work. And just come and then this whole sense of depression just come over me. I'm in the depressed. It's just no one for me. Oh boy. Anyway, they're having a party down there. The tab is already at the bar. Nobody really down there that is new. So that is that. My email, not really email, but message the manager from this morning. When I get a response yet, we just apologize for not being there. Like, we literally couldn't make it today. Like, if we did go, I'd be very cranky today, or Modi will come at the pool today. So that is that. We hope them figure it out, because yesterday I had to figure it out, so that is on them. What else do I have to say? Like, we just can't wait for the day over to just start over tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then Monday, last day, and then oh dear. Oh yes, another thing, guys. You saw last week when I talked about so home flight at 5 a.m. Lie, no go so. Lie me until it is 9. So I'm gonna have to stress myself no more. So we just have to check it. Just not check and see say everything is alright. I'm ready at 9 o'clock. So I can leave out like 6 o'clock, be on time, and alright, I'm still gonna reach before my brother. So I'm just gonna check in and everything, wait until him come, send an Uber for him. So yeah, that is good. I'm not have to stress myself no more about how I'm going to get to the airport, because obviously there's going to be Ubers, and I'm not have to stress myself of renting anywhere close by. So that is that. Yeah. Just I leave. Boy. That's all we can say, boy. Today was dead, but luckily I made some money. I never go to the main room. Here it was crazy busy, but it's like go. It's good when you don't have fully responsibilities and I feel like kill off yourself. Like, maybe only doing this just to see. So nothing is wrong. I leave roommate because she has some customers and me not stay until 9, because me close on my check. Not only that, after certain hours we don't make no money, so I don't see the sense of me staying. Alright, for waste time? No. We don't have time for waste. Just I'll go home. We have a package, we go shower and just relax to work tomorrow morning. And then I go to my room tomorrow. I'm not going to the Birdo tomorrow because they have some function, and basically they can only, the person who in the function can only order through the bartender, and me not do that. Me not waste my time, because that's gonna be a chaos, and I don't want to be there. I have this much patience, and me not gonna do it tomorrow. Me honestly not gonna do it tomorrow. So man has me just turn me on, start doing me here, and we know so the next day we not go work in there, so we can just chill. Guys, the vlog gonna take a whole new spin because I'll be in Florida on Tuesday. Can you believe that? Hey guys, good morning. Now today is Sunday, and yes, as you can see, I'm back in the mail room. Mega late today. Funny enough, I saw Uber that was 6 minutes away, but if it came, I wouldn't be ready in time, right? So, me wait, and it come like somebody scoop it up. So after that, now it's the one for 20 minutes. I may book it. I may say Jaja, but I'm gonna reach like 12 minutes after, which is not too bad. But I am gonna be there. At least I'm gonna be there. So that is it. Tomorrow, I'm not going to the deep end either because I'm not scheduled. And the manager said I could go in, but I'm not going to because it's either I'm gonna wash my hair today and do it today, or I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm just gonna do my final preparation for Tuesday. So, hence the reason why I'm not going. Many people asking, how do I request vacation days? Now, the thing is, I didn't request no vacation days. What I did, I went to the manager, the person who is doing the schedule, and said that, hey, I need these days. So basically, I'm telling them I want these days. I'm going to go to the other one. I'm telling them I want these days because they have a book where you can request time off, days off. I mean, no, I'm not going to get paid, right? This is it. I'm not going to get paid. So, me sacrifice my pay just to go and spend time with my brother. So for the next paycheck, not the one that come now, and the next one is going to be very mager, very little bit, but such is life, you know, sacrifice have to make sometimes, and that's a sacrifice I'm willing to take. So that is how I did it. So I didn't really request like a vacation. If you did request like a vacation, then that means you would get paid for it, but I'm not getting paid for my time off. Morning. Enough people are saying that they can't wait until vacation. Me can't wait neither. The vlog got turned up. Well, guess what? Even though the vlog got turned up, I'm going to have so much things to edit because I'm going to do my weekly vlog still, but yet still I'm going to have like room tour. I'm going to have, you know, place tour like day 1, day 2, day 3, day whatever. I'm going to have that, all those videos. So it's going to be a lot of videos. It's the reason why I'm going to carry my laptop. I wanted to buy a tablet before, but then now I'm going to reach in time, so I'm in a sense to buy the tablet, because the thing with the tablet, I can edit on the go, so even when I'm traveling and so forth, I can edit. So that was the aim, even though I can do that with my laptop, but I wasn't planning to bring a big bag, so that is the issue. So anyway, I'll catch you back a little later on because I'm not going to the deep end. I'm coming back early. And today I'm just gonna do like a separate video from my regular videos, but we're not going to release them the video there right now, if you understand, because I want it to be consecutive. I don't want it to be like this a week and then next week and the other week. No, I want it to be like today, tomorrow and the other day. You get what I'm saying? Alright. Anyway, pick up with a nice clean self. Just done work, and the Uber, they're like 1 minute away, not even 1 minute away, they're on the corner, like they got turn right now, literally got turn. So I guess when we go in at the car or when we reach home we pick up back with it, you know, but I go home. Yes, see Uber here. Alright guys, so just coming from work, face early. This is why I'm gonna like put our makeup with it, even though I'm gonna put on no lip, but I just don't know why I'm gonna put it on anyway. I just wanted to prepare for the vacation, and it's the reason why I put it on. Yeah, so I went to the main room this morning. I was supposed to go to the deep end. We decided I'm not going because it's going to be, they're going to have a party, and the party only supposed to bring up their check through the bar. So they're going to ring up the check individually, but yet still it's through the bar. So I'm not going to be in that stress. Not only that, you're going to have regular customers also, and normally the bar would focus on their customers, so getting drinks gonna be a little bit difficult, or it's gonna take a while. And just not, just can't bother with the stress. The manager asked, said, oh, I heard that you're having a big party. And I told her I'm not going. And she said, really? And I said, yes. I told the restaurant manager that don't be surprised if I'm not coming in. You know, worse, she's not going to be there. The manager is not going to be there. When the manager is not there, like, they do anything they want to do. And I have this much patience, this much tolerance, and me not having it to them. We don't want nobody to spoil a week to come. So for everybody's sake and for my peace, I decided not to go. So I am here now, and I'm going to finish pack. I'm also going to wash because I need to wash. Tomorrow morning I'm going to go to work. Not going to work in the evening because I'm not scheduled to work, and I'm going to see if I can do my hair today. So that's all I have to do today. Yeah, I'm going to wash, going to do my hair and finish pack. And I need to do a pack with me video. So yeah, guys, in 2 days I'll be in Orlando, even though the place hot, but AC day at the hotel, even though we're not staying at the hotel. But you know what I got? Yes, I am excited, and I need to call my brother to see if he prepare. If we buy some stuff for him, or probably wait until we go Florida and buy it. Me too. Yeah. So I'll catch you back later on. I'm gonna wash my face, gonna shower, gonna wash out the laundry, the machine, because normally we rinse it out before we use it because too much people using it, and we have sensitive skin, and yeah, even though it doesn't make no sense, it cannot make no sense. You know why? Because you know what? Later.
You go, I should've let you just walk on by, never even said hi. No, then we wouldn't.
Alright guys, my face is sweaty. Anyway, I'm so glad that I took off, because we just realized how much something I have to do. I wash. I just done wash the colored clothes and put it in the dryer. Now the white clothes are washed. I just done pack suitcase. I'm gonna need to double check in the cause I just put I'm not gonna look in it. Anything the Indian does say go. But I just done pack that. I need to wait and ensure setting it over 50 pounds. Yeah. Just do that, and you need to do me here. I wonder if we do it tonight. It's not gonna take so long because the passion twist, passion twist don't take long, and it's short. I not do it all this time. Yeah, I'm gonna need to tidy up and so forth. So, actually, glad to take the day off. Hey, my lip pink, you see? That's where you look. For morning, we have it on. By the way, we just do me pack video, like pack my suitcase videos, what I'm bringing to Orlando. Yeah, just did that video. So stay tuned for that. It will come after this, obviously, because I don't. By the time this vlog release, and I already don't know when we go. Alright. And in that video I actually gave it away, so that is that. I'm going to tidy up. I honestly don't know what I'm going to wear yet to the airport. I know I'm going to wear one pants. I'm in white, my white Air Force, but differently from that I don't know what top I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna put all those stuff together, put my passport and everything in a one bag, so that when the day come, we can just up and go. You get me? Alright.
Guys, today is the last day at work for the next week. Yeah, so I'm coming back next week, same time here. I am so excited, like, I can tell. Hey, I'm not even have on nothing on my face, no mascara, no nothing. I just gone in my natural beauty because everything packed and I am ready to go. The only thing I need to do is do my hair, and I'm going to do that today. Today work finished at 10:30, so by 11 o'clock we're out of there. So I'm going to try and see if I can do my side work early so that we can leave earlier. Like as the clock reaches 10:30 we can leave. But you know that impossible. Impossible? Let's see if we can make it possible today. So we're kind of excited. I guess remember that, like, we don't know how we're gonna react, because the thing is in my family we don't love it dovey and oggy. We don't stay them way there. You know, we show we love in a different ways. Like how me plan this is how me show me love for him. And now I go see me run and go say, hey, me love you. No. My mom, she not tell me that she love me. She just thinks. You understand? That's how we know that we love each other. So no expect to see no mega excitement and jump up and go on. Yeah, we not do them things there. We just like go enjoy ourselves and vlog a little bit. You understand? So sorry if you don't know, get the excitement you don't want, but not all family is like that. Okay? But just in case we do behave so, it's a new thing for us, okay? But we don't plan to, well, I don't plan to behave like that. Right now, I think like, how we are going to react? After 15 years, we barely talk on the phone, you know? But there's no same my brother, you understand? We have other brothers, but it's from my mother's side, and I'm closer to my mother's side that put me rather than my father's side. Yeah, the Uber is like 10 minutes away, but I just decided to come out the house and update you guys. Today is Tuesday. Today is gonna be good. It was supposed to be me and the new girl, but yesterday they updated the schedule and it's me, one ex girl and one ex girl. So it's not gonna be busy today. So I'm not expect to make whole heap of money. But just like yesterday never did I go good. I think we get about 6 tables and I get close to $200. So it's not how much I get, it's how you present to the people there, because people like me and people tend to tip me more than 25%. So yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you later on in the next clip. This is how early I have to leave my house. You can't even see. Like, look at that.
So today, it kind of slow, expected. It is Monday and it's slow, but I'm just come over here for vent a little bit, because I don't understand people, right? I don't understand, because so there is this manager that I don't have to talk. Like, me love the manager because he's just blunt and he's straightforward. I like him. Still on. Yeah, so I like the manager, and him have an heart attack, so him have a lot of health issues. Now a message went around saying, send me best well wishes and all those stuff, because he's going into surgery today. Now obviously they already get around. So there is this person now. We can congregate and talk, and the person said, did you hear? Got an heart attack, and start laugh. And you're like, why you laugh? It's not funny. Like, can you be so insensitive? Like, what's so funny about that? I don't understand. Like, why would you laugh about somebody getting an heart attack? Not even your worst enemy. Like, me not go them way there. Like, really, there's nothing funny about that. And the person literally laugh. You know, like you cannot control your laughter. Like, I get it. Let me understand now. Me not understand. Anyway, I just take a quick, because we have a table. Let's get a quick run to the bathroom because we just need to but like, me not get it. Me just don't get it. Somebody make me understand. Like, how can you laugh at something like that? You know, funny. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I've already started doing my hair. I decided to do something very simple and easy because I normally never have the time, and I didn't know that I was gonna take off yesterday. So, and plus I just want something easy to manage. Like if I want to put it up in a bun or something, yeah, I can do it with this. So basically I'm just passion twisting my hair, doing the last step method, and yeah, so it is now about, I think 12 something, 12. So I'm gonna see how long this take, and I know it's not gonna take long, not as long as the 4 locks are braiding, because I don't really need to trim up or anything like that. All I need to do is mousse and twist and mousse. Yeah, so that is what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna do my final preparation for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the flight. As you all know, I already know what I'm going to wear. Hopefully I don't change my mind tomorrow. I'm just gonna go through the suitcase and ensure that I have everything in there, because some of the stuff I've been using, and I feel like I probably put some stuff like to comb my brother hair or something like that. I don't know yet. But I just want to check in with you. Yeah, reach home safely from work, and God, I'm happy. Like, there's this girl, like the 2 girls I'm good with at work. Like one in the middle room and one in the deep end, apart from my roommate. Anyway, when me tell her next week, she was like, tomorrow. I said, nope, next week, Wednesday. And she was like, you know what I'm going to do for you? You know what I'm going to do for you, Vanessa? I'm going to go to the manager and say that we need you. I'm like, even if you go and tell them and they tell me, I'm not going to come in. And then I saw her standing, like, she was like, you know those poor thing? Like, she gonna miss me. I'm like, oh, my son come back, I'm not going far. Anyway, yeah. And then now with the deep end, this girl don't want to go in because I guess I don't know, but I'll be back. I just need I need a break. If I don't take a break, I'm gonna go crazy, and I don't want to go crazy. So I'm taking that break. Not only that, I need to go and see my brother. I haven't seen him for 15 years, and no amount of money can stop me. Even if they want to fire me, can't stop me. Anyway, I'm gonna continue doing my hair because I want it done before. Let me see. I'm gonna give myself time before 4 o'clock, and we're gonna see. No man, if after 12, no. Let's say 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. I'll get back to you. 3 o'clock is the latest. So it's 1:30 and I am feeling hungry. Yeah, as I was saying, I ordered Uber Eats. It's 1:30 because I'm hungry and I just now I'm nothing else really for cook, and we don't have enough time for cook, and more to finish me here this far. Actually, for just have this little piece there. It is 1:30, so I guess I want good timing. Ordered Chinese food, and funny enough, first I ever ordered food and they asked me for a pin. In order for me to collect the food, I have to give them the pin. So that is good to know that my food is safe and no one can take it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna eat this right now. Let me see if I can show you what's in this. What I ordered was the noodles. So this have shrimp, beef, and chicken in there. So this is it. Looks good, smells good, and I'm about to devour this. So I'll catch you back at 3 when I finish my hair. Okay, guys, it is 9 minutes after 3, and I think when I said 4 o'clock, that's when I should have stand by, because I'm not done yet. It's so done because when I've done a quick piece of it.
I realized that one person is missing from this.
Yeah, but I still have a good time, and I think, and the year look nicely. So we'll finish it, but I'm just gonna let you know that I'm overtime. And yeah. Anyway, alright, so by 4 o'clock, everything done, yeah, we're done. So I'll check you back 4 o'clock. Alright guys, I am finally done. I'm finally done. Oh my god. And what time is it? 3:39. Let me show you. 3:39. I don't know if you can see it. 3:39. So let's see if we can do this instead. Yes, it there. 3:39. So I think before 4 o'clock, I guess if I didn't eat, I would have finished by 3 o'clock. And I'm just gonna iron my scalp and then style it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm done. I kinda like it short, so it can be easy to wrap with. Like when you put on the hot, can catch it up, put the hot on top, and it's not buffy or bulky. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm just gonna grease it now and style it. Girl, done. I am back in business. I'm just joking. But yeah, my hair is done. I catch it up because I just want to catch it up because tomorrow I feel like I'm just gonna bun it. That's the look I'm going for, like a scruffy bun. Yeah, because that's the whole aim of it, just in case I have like a visor to wear or a hat. I don't have this one bag of hair on my head. The hat can cover my hair because you know the sun is going to be hot. So girl, done, and me finish. What time was I start? I think I said I start 12 something, but I was gonna finish, I think it was to 1. So it took me practically 3 hours to finish my hair. And bear in mind I paused and I was also watching something while doing my hair. And girl, done. Girl, look like brand new. My eyebrow do yesterday. So girl, ready. Yes, we're ready for vacation. So I'm about to clean up this place because the place is a mess. And then yeah, gonna do my final packing because I think I need to go back in my suitcase just to ensure that everything is there. Yeah, that I'm not miss nothing, because you know when time you're packing for a vacation or packing for somewhere, you always miss something like your rag or your toothpaste, even though I know I'm gonna miss them somewhere. Yes, so I'm gonna do that. And I feel like I want to go to the supermarket. I probably just wait until tomorrow because I was saying that I know my brother gonna miss something, but I carry a toothbrush for him. Oh yeah, I need to put my roll on in there. So probably just wait until I go Florida so that we can go out together. So I don't have to buy it right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that, finish that up the place, and I'm gonna start some editing and then ensure that I have all my gadgets and stuff in the thing that I already paid for my luggage because I check in already too. I check in my brother and I check in myself, and I pay for my luggage $30, so that's good. So when we reach, we just put it in, and then I already have my boarding pass on my phone. Make sure I don't know which part of money there. I know I'm part the money, but I don't know which part it there. So I need to ensure say, because in the bag with me I plan to carry tomorrow, and me not sitting in the bag there. So I'm gonna ensure so I have everything. I'm just gonna ensure so everything is in place tomorrow. You understand? For tomorrow, because I don't want when we reach, when I have the money. Even though I have my card, but I don't want to spend from my card. You understand? I want to spend cash or the money that I've been saving to spend. You get me? So I don't have to use of my savings, or I don't have to use my savings or from my paycheck. So that is that. So basically I'm just gonna go and clean, and I'll check you back later. Yay! Who ready to go on a vacation? Yeah man, come here and bring all the honor.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday the day, and I am at the airport a little bit early, but good enough time to show you my fit. Anyway, it is after 7. The flight is 9 o'clock, so check-in is 8 something. So I'm on time. That is a good thing. And in your empty. If you look, that is what I like. Understand? So we go check in my bag and then let's take a walk. Can they say hello to the vlog?
Yeah, well, I don't really look right here. Okay. Hi, everyone. Follow my sister for interaction. After their siblings.
Hold on. If we go do that again.
Say hello to the vlog. Is the vlog ready?
Yeah. Anyway, next time we
Say
do
hello
it.
to the vlog.
Finally reached in the Uber going to the hotel. It's hot. I'm making myself. Pardon?
That hotel?
Yes.
Celebration?
Yeah. I'm hungry, tired, but I'll catch you back.
Alright guys, just reached at the hotel. I don't know if we can get a view, but I'm gonna try.
Hello. Just connect my Fire Stick because I'm gonna watch some Netflix while I'm edit, because if I don't edit now, I don't know when I'm gonna edit, you understand? And I don't need to get the vlog. Not only that, I just ordered Uber Eats, so I'm waiting on that. I ordered 2 meals just in case when my brother comes and get some. And look at that, all connected. Yeah, so my brother's flight is delayed. It is going to be 3:28, 3:38, something like that. So I'm just about to go on the flight. And every minute they keep on a change in gate. Like, I look at things say have sense. You understand? Look at things say mother have been with sense. Because in probably last. But him have sense. Yeah, so then keep on that 3 times now them change him gate, and them change the time, like only for time. I don't know what's happening, but then it said due to weather it may cause something. Luckily I came here on time, and luckily I got a early flight, so just always on the Uber Eats and going to watch some movie while I edit and wait on him. Yeah, so you guys will soon see my brother. Yeah, him kind of camera shy, guys. Let me tell you now, not because I don't see me on camera or whatever. Me have my moments like me like for just stay by myself. Me like for me don't like company. Like me like for just in my own zone. Me like for be quiet and all that. And that's that me realize with 3 of my mother kids. Like we like to just be by ourselves. Other than Candy are the talkative one. She do everything. Me, no, I like to be by myself before the camera doing stuff. Like I just the only time like you see me talk or when me in a talking zone. When I'm home and I'm just in my space, me just want to be alone and left alone. Yeah. So you know what? Next clip. Get me Uber Eats. I ordered Popeyes because it's the next thing to KFC at Jamaica here. So I ordered that. Ordered rings and chicken. So we mix and match, and these one for my brother. One thing I don't like within here, the AC just give it a moldy smell. I don't like that. If I get something to smell up the place, I don't like that. But differently from that, the place is clean, everything is alright. Toodles. And not only that, I pay for 2 drinks and only got 1. Like, Popeyes, what are you doing? Why did I only get 1? Like, I don't like that. Anyway, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And guys, are the worst Popeyes that me ever have. The worst Popeye ever. Like, the best thing about that Popeyes here are the juice. Like, I'm not to know, like, just eat some because we're hungry. And imagine you're hungry, and when you're hungry, things taste good and it tastes bad. So you can imagine if anybody hungry, how would that taste? That tastes worse, right? Just wait until my brother comes so we can touch road, or probably go downstairs go eat something. Cause that can't hold me. I don't like it. I go see if him like it. I don't think so. So my mother, you see, she can chat now and she behave like so she never chat. The other day she called me and she say, "Oh, you have to send up to tell Nathan say, yeah, I can't go Disney World." I say, "I never tell Nathan." So then how him know say I go Orlando? I say, "Yes, I go Orlando. There's many places in Orlando. You don't have to be Disney World." That time she already tell him. And I said, "Oh, I never said nothing. No, me just hear from my auntie say Nathan no." So sorry. So it's no surprise anymore. So I'm gonna just pretend like someone don't know, say no, and see how best we can do this, right? So I'm gonna say, "Hey, can you guess where we're going?" and then see if you're gonna tell me or whatever. Or maybe them all play a game with me. And him and join on too. But whatever. Yeah, we're going to Disney World. And I look back on it now, him slim. I wonder if the shirt I gonna fit him. We should have wear large. We should have ordered large because I'm like to wear large clothes. But such is life. I already reserved the shuttle to go to Disney World. As I said, I don't have to do no Uber. So there you go. I can save money on Uber and buy more food. So he's on his way. I just put the Uber for him to come, and it shows that it picked him up and he's on his way. So when I'm close by, I'm just gonna go downstairs and meet him. Yay! Like, well, you know, like, I haven't seen this man for 15 years, and it's like, I'm happy because I'm a brother, but it's like, you know, them little excitement. They know we don't behave like that when it comes to our family. We happy to see each other, we glad, but we don't show it. I don't understand. Yeah. So there's not going to be this big excitement. Anyway, I think we're going to go on the road. You know what? I'm gonna start a new vlog, like a personal, like a daily vlog, because the weekly vlog are too long and we're not doing it, right? Yeah, so if you want to see everything while go on, just stay tuned for the other vlog. Yeah, subscribe. We're not gonna do all of that in this vlog. You understand? Yeah. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna leave this for Nathan. I'll be back. Okay, be back. Alright, so guys, I am going for my brother. Going to meet him. It's weird room. But we're gonna meet him. Thank you. I'll be back. I'm coming back. Hey, brother. Fine. How was the flight?
It's better than when I was coming to the
It's like,
It smells familiar.
it smells like carpet, like
What's this?
it's you. Yes. Yes, guys, he's here. Oh my god.
It doesn't smell that bad.
It doesn't smell bad, but it smells like wet carpet. Well, the carpet is not wet, or maybe it's the AC, I don't know. Brother from the one mother.
Hello, everyone on her channel.
Welcome, that's your bed, this is mine.
Oh, this room is big. This room is big.
It's big. It's small. Nervous? You nervous?
Huh?
Nothing to be nervous about.
I just feel like mom asked me to do something over the top.
No. Guess where you think we're going. I give you one chance.
One chance.
One chance.
Okay, well, when I was coming here on the Uber, I could see something on the sign, and I saw Magic Kingdom. So I'll say Disneyland.
So what if it's not Disneyland? Would you be disappointed?
I wouldn't be disappointed because I want to go Universal. I wouldn't mind going Universal. Where else?
What if it's not Universal, not Disneyland?
Well, I mean, if it's something fun, then it's fine.
Okay, what if it's Disneyland?
Then is it Disneyland?
I don't know, let's see. So we have matching outfit.
Matching up.
Yes.
Oh my days. Thank you. Mickey Mouse. You want me to?
I don't know which one is gonna fit. If it's gonna fit.
I mean, actually, you look good.
Yeah, it's cause it's kind of, I don't know which one is gonna fit. Now you know where we're gonna go, right?
I think it's quite clear now.
4 days.
4 days at Disney World.
So we're going to Magical Kingdom.
The
next one, because Disney World is really big.
Yeah.
And then I was thinking to buy one day pass at the Universal Studio.
Yeah, that's fun. I mean,
so we can wear this tomorrow?
Mind. Yeah.
Can that fit you?
I'm trying one now. I wanna
This is CH. I don't know what is CH.
CH. Children.
Maybe.
I wouldn't mind if it was anything fun in this.
And that's why I was asking if you have a black shorts.
Oh yeah, I have black shorts.
See, and it fits you. And then you have the sock. We have the socks too. So I don't know what kind of shoes they have.
I only have the black shoes.
And then the shuttle leave 10:30. So if you don't wake up tomorrow, and I make sure give you the Mickey Mouse, and I'll stay with Minnie.
This is smaller.
Yeah, but you don't need it. It can stretch. And then which other one do you want? Oh, this one. This is a man one.
Thank you. In here just smells like my aunt's house.
Yeah, aunt's house.
Yeah. Not
Moldy.
Not it's not moldy. It's not moldy. It's just like
You can wear it
homey.
like that if you want.
It's like homey.
Oh. Or button it up. But if you wear button it up, you can't wear that vest. You have to wear the one like a V cut.
A V-neck.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like V-necks.
But it doesn't look good when it goes like that. But luckily I didn't buy a bigger one because I was thinking it was too small.
Pretty much the same size.
It actually fits you. Nathan, do you remember when you first saw me? No. You were a 2-year-old. Do you know that?
Why would I remember something like that?
You remember? You wouldn't remember, but when you were 2, that was when Cool got married to your father. And
I mean, I have the picture.
and you had the softest skin. Like literally, you used to run around and be like, dugu 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 dugu. You used to run around and dugu 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 dugu. Yes.
Any video proof of that?
Well, in those days there wasn't any cameras, right?
I mean,
It was
no,
18.
VHSs.
I'm joking.
Like the VHS of the wedding. I can go back and look through it.
But you were like dugu 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 running around dugu 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 dugu. But Cool didn't want nothing to touch you. You're like her prized possession. Mm-hmm. When you feel your skin is like you're melting.
I mean, it was like that until recently.
Your skin still?
Yeah, until last year. During my birthday, I had chickenpox. And now my skin is just ruined.
Why? Why you say that? Because New York is just crowded.
Exactly. The trolleys are free.
Yes!
I thought you'd have to put money in it and like rent it out.
No, this is not England, my dear.
But still, like,
No.
I can just go away with a random trolley.
Well, you're not going to go away, you're going to put it back. Why are we here? You're supposed to be over there. See the difference between England and Jamaica and US. England charge for everything, everything, even your breath, even TV license. What? TV's license, it's free. You have to pay yearly. Cool. Look at your pinning broken me. Yes, yes, it's you. You're the one pushing the trolley. And then guess doesn't drink certain water because of certain pH. You have to drink, what is it?
I need to drink low pH water,
What's the brand name?
smart water, or essential.
Okay, you hear that? Cool. Guys, my brother is a crook. Show us what you stole from the supermarket. Spoon. We wanted a spoon to eat cornflakes.
Bro, they're selling spoons like 64 at a time. I only need one.
So one single one. Yeah, it was out. We didn't pull anything. So we just took it. Well, not we, him. So if you need to call police, call it on him. Yeah, insurance for America or insurance for UK?
For America.
Okay.
Don't trust me.
What does insurance?
I'll get my lawyers on.
You get your lawyers. Plastic. So we were going to go to steakhouse. The first one closed. The second one, when we see the menu, we don't bother like the food. the food don't look appealing at all. So we did Uber Eats, and we're going over to meet the person. Hungry, what me? Because of this man, Nathan. His fault. Because you went grocery shopping, and then the groceries cost $130 something.
You said your head didn't want to get messed up or something.
What? No, this is for like breakfast or snacks. You're gonna be there for 1 week, so we need something, right? And he wants the expensive stuff, you know. He doesn't drink basic water. He drinks Smart and Fiji water. Yeah. Smart and essential. Get that correct, okay? My head hurting. Anyway, we will catch you back tomorrow when the sun is shining and the vibe is right, right? What did you say?
This better be the most viewed video.
Right, because the people been waiting and he's here.
I wanna see this get to 3,000 likes
3,000 likes, you hear that? Listen,
and 0 dislikes.
we don't do dislikes over here. I am likable. Let's cross, because I don't want to walk next to there, because I don't want no crocodile. Bite me. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, and my brother and I, we are going to Disney World. But guess what? We're not going to show it in this vlog, so you have to stay tuned for the other vlog. But we're only going to show you like a little things, and the reason why we're going to do this is because the vlog too long. We don't want it too long, and we want you to watch it. We don't want you to miss work or miss your meal or miss school. You understand? So we have to break it up in parts. You understand? Okay. So we're ready. We're in matching outfit. Yeah, matching outfit, and we are waiting on the shuttle. The shuttle is supposed to be here at 10:25, and the time on that is off. And I booked the reservation last night online, and we're waiting. The sun already hot. Him say it's not too hot.
It's not too hot.
Him just come out of the hotel, and it is hot. I am melting.
British weather has prepped me for this moment.
The what?
The British weather has prepped
Oh, the British weather has prepped in for this moment. But I'm gonna stop before we get copyright because the music is loud. Nathan buy 2 food yesterday. I'm gonna buy Popeyes. It never tastes good. So Nathan has 3 food in the fridge. But we're not buying nothing else. We're not buying nothing else today unless him eat off them food there. And then we go to supermarket because we go there for 1 week. We buy breakfast and snacks. 100. My man, but him don't drink regular water because the pH is too high. Him need essential and what was it?
essential and smart water.
But smart water not good. Smart water pH is very bad. Go and research it. Smart water is probably one of the worst water to drink.
Smart water is not really smart, is it?
No, it's just the name. Why do you think because we're drinking smart water?
It's gonna be smart.
It's just a brand name. It's one of the worst water to drink. Oh, Nathan would have probably liked that. They have Prime in
Prime. Yeah, you saw two flavors.
Not that flavor though.
Oh,
Look, they have Prime
it's here too.
on sale. Oh, yeah, is it?
Yeah, but he saw the flavor that he didn't like.
No, I've never drank it before. It's not good for you.
So today,
Anyways, enjoy your Disney World.
Zion.
Look forward to the
Let me see Zion.
Zion, say hi.
Zion. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Look, who is this? Zion, who is this?
Not the window.
Who is this? That's Uncle. Uncle Nathan. Alright, later. Say hi to the vlog, Crystal.
Where's the vlog?
Say hi.
Oh, hi, vlog. Check out my channel.
Click on yes. Go.
Check out my TikTok.
From you come back from Pakistan, we don't hear from you. What happened to the video then?
You see, when we go, the phone full up and we lose so much video.
So you not back it up in the Google Drive?
Yes, but them not did it. That's the thing. Back up everything on Google Drive and them not there. And then no Zion, put it back. And then I try to download video from Google Drive and it's not letting me download the video then. But me edit one, I go post it tomorrow.
Oh.
Because we have to do it overnight.
Oh.
But
So you never do one mukbang with them?
Yeah, me do one if I'm mukbang. I have some left.
Oh, as long as you have some.
Much. Yeah, me have some.
Probably me can log on to your Google Drive and then download it, send it on here.
Yeah, may I give you the Google Drive?
Oh.
Well, it's when Nathan I come back. Can you look how much we kept with vlogging camera, please? Maybe you send one back with Nathan.
About 1,000.
Go back in December. We want to buy one camera.
The good one, the Sony one, the good one, but I think I buy one of these, the pocket, it really good. Not to no lie.
How much fee?
I think a $300 fee. Cause it's small, eh? Huh? No, but she wants a camera to vlog. Me?
We have one.
Why? This is good.
Yeah, because you can get a MacBook for $300.
Not a good MacBook.
That's a good MacBook.
Anyway, later guys, stop fast now my business.
Guys, we're all beat right out. Can you imagine tomorrow again and the other day? Yes. Anyway, today was an okay day for me. The best part for me was the movie. That was the best part for me. What?
I'm literally going cross-eyed during the movie. I couldn't enjoy it.
Because you have 4 eye and then you add an extra lens to it. That was 6.
I even took off the...
Yeah, but you cannot take off your glasses. The glasses for 3D.
Yeah, but I put the 3D glasses on by itself. And my
No,
eyes were
but
still
if you cannot see, you cannot put it on by itself. You need your special. Oh.
I don't have double vision. I just have very good.
But for me, it was good because you get all the feeling. You get the water when it's splashing. You get the breeze when it's blowing. Yeah, but I never had that experience before. I had 3D, but not the feeling.
Oh, I've had that before.
Yeah, I never have that. So that was my best. And then I don't know if you could see, but all the kids was pushing. Yeah, that was the best part. But if you want to see the full experience, you need to.
The worst part.
The worst part? The lines.
No. What's the actual worst part which you have done?
What I wouldn't do? The worst part?
The part which riding surprised you wouldn't do it again.
I don't know. Which is yours?
Probably the haunted house, haunted mansion.
Yeah, it was.
That was overrated.
Yeah, it's not that haunted, and it was.
It was dark.
Yeah, it was. It's a good experience, but it wasn't.
Yeah. You can't really record it. You have to be there to.
I tried, and it wasn't. It wasn't like it didn't record properly. I tried, but yeah. But if you want like the full experience, just stay tuned because that's gonna be another vlog. This is just my daily vlog, and I cannot put everything in this. My weekly vlog, I mean, I cannot put everything in this, so just stay tuned for the other videos. And it's gonna be like day by day. So this, you're gonna have a Magical Kingdom vlog, then you're gonna have the other one, I don't remember. The worst part for me was waiting. Like tomorrow when I come, I'm gonna see if I can get the lightning pass because I don't have the patience. I may not have the patience. Like if we didn't have the lightning pass, we would have done more stuff, especially the boat ride, and like we literally stand in a line and then we just walk out because we just couldn't wait. Like we couldn't wait. And then I wanted to have dinner with the characters, but it's full. We can do it at the other place because they have it there too. So we have to make the reservation. I don't know how to make it, but I will research later on.
And you even do it the day before.
I think so. But guys, I don't know where so much people come from. I come like at the whole of America they here. Like it's too much. Like if Corona was a thing, it would have broke out right here. So honestly, people just a cough and then come up their mouth. So we're tired, rain a fall, and we're just waiting for the fireworks. That's the only reason. Like me literally feel like more have to go home, like me done. Cause if you don't know me like we just stay me at. But because of the fireworks, we want to see it, and it's supposed to be nice, right? Like probably farm out and hundreds and yeah. So I want to see that and I want to record it. So that is why I'm staying here. But I'll catch you back tomorrow for a new day. Yeah, 10. It is 10:43. Get up. Spending night floating here. I don't get wake up and you have things to do. Get up. And you sleep in a visor? Like really, brother? What time you got in bed last night? You don't know?
At 3.
3 o'clock. And you want to sleep right now? Eh? Drink one of the Arizona.
What?
The Arizona. Get up. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday and it is actually almost 2 o'clock. It is 1:32 because this guy decided to follow him here and I had to comb it. He wake up late. But the thing is,
What do you mean decided?
Yeah, he decided. and we decided that we're going to go to the Animal Kingdom because it's a quick thing. It's not going to be heavy today. It's raining. This morning. It is actually raining. The Uber is downstairs waiting for us. And yeah, it's going to over early today. I think they said 7. I think 7, something like that. So we can leave early today and we're planning to go to the mall. Probably. Not sure. But I'll pick up back with you.
Now I'ma put it down like that. I'm leaving, I ain't coming back. You don't like the way I act anyway. You really don't have to react. Don't try to change my mind, in fact. Honey, I've already packed all my stuff. We're no longer kids, let's move on. And you are not my kid, so I'm done. Please don't make me pull my gun. Sorry, boy, I can't be the one. You know it, yeah. Nothing lasts forever. You.
Guys, my brother is worse than any girl. Never take him shopping. Like, he's stressing me out. I thought I was stressful. Like, you're stressing me out. I told him this the first time, and after, listen, let's go, because you're stressing me out. He's stressing me out, guys. Like, I can't mother. I don't know why I take him to the mall, and he's not spending, and he's just having a hard time choosing. Don't laugh with me. That's the God of Daniel. Now the store is closed. Go to the cashier. You just walk out with the clothes. That one. You say the tag is on it. Go. Steal it. Put it.
And then the X-ray's going to catch it. Whoever is cool.
Anyway, after this, we're going to find something to eat because the mall is closed. Because someone didn't know what to order, to buy. Well, he likes what mutual color. What did he say? Monochrome color. It's the reason why.
No, monochrome and nude.
It's so technical. I can't be bothered. It's the first color in his wardrobe. Like, what is cool doing?
What's 100 years?
You gonna wear it tomorrow? It doesn't fit with nothing in your closet.
I think it'd be white and black.
You're wearing that? Yes. When you wearing that?
Wearing because
When you're wearing that?
oh, I'm gonna bring it so I can change. How would I
Changing what?
change it? What?
For what?
Change so I can go with it.
It's not tomorrow.
Oh, okay, yeah, well, I
Man.
wanna wear this tomorrow.
No,
This is
that. The blue one.
good. I can wear this the day I had outfits planned.
Okay, you planned and you only bought 2 outfits. And it's the reason why it's stressing me out. It's stressing my pocket out. I hope you have money to pay for that.
What is this? No, take it.
What? No. My battery's almost done. Anyway, good morning, guys. You see though, this guy rushed me out of the room. Rushed me out because I'm dressed and you rushed me out. Because
11:20.
and it's 11:30 for the ride.
Exactly 10 minutes.
Yes, I should sit down 10 minutes and then they said it's always late.
They say it's always late. When
Ex-
it's done.
Anyway, today is Friday, the last day of the vlog. Thank you, Jesus. And then we start again tomorrow. But the pressure is on. I must apologize. The video is like the vlog is actually long. It's like 1 hour. I'm gonna try to cut it down tonight. It's 1 hour. It's long. I'm gonna try and cut it down tonight. The music, I'm gonna stop because the music, I don't want to be copyrighted. Guys, Nathan went to sleep. He went to his bed like 4 o'clock last night. After I sent him, how much time did I send it to your bed? Lies. You're on the toilet. I sent him like 4 times to his bed and he didn't sleep until about 4 o'clock. I know he wants to sleep. No, he's just dragging the day. And today we have accomplished so much. Right.
Dragging the day, but we'll come to
We could have done more. But we did better than yesterday and the day before. Yeah. But on this side, we're almost done. And he's so sleepwalking. He's sleepwalking. Guys, today we completed all of our mission. 3rd time is a charm. Yes. And we did it today. We only have 1 mission to complete. and we're going to do it. But I just feel like I just need to come and tell you, say, hey, we cracked the code and we know what to do. And just want to close out the vlog. You know, today's Friday, and thank you guys for watching. If you have anything to say to my brother, just leave it in the comments down below. He'll be watching. And thank you for stopping by. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week as the vacation continues. So tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend, and I see you next week. Bye.